Hello and welcome back to another Welsh adventure. A little bit different this time. We're always on boats, canoes, this, that and the other, bikes. So this time we thought we'd change it up a bit because it's a bit wet and there's not many things open during the Christmas period. But there is one thing. And what are we doing today, Lucy?
We're going on a steam train. We're doing the mince pie steam train adventure over there.
Oh, there's the station over there.
There's the train.
And with Storm Garrett that we've had recently, the river is flowing, I'd say, pretty well. We haven't really told you where we are either. Llangollen? Probably have not said that right, but there's the spelling. And this is the trail we're taking. With sound effects. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Front carriage. Shotgun. Ooh. Oh god, you've been on here 2 minutes, look, you're already destroying the place. Oh my god, that's tight.
Look, it's on the
It's a bit Harry Pottery, isn't it?
Yeah.
Got a little compartment there. How cute is this? Just getting set, ready to leave.
Get to Portsmouth Dog, not too far away or snowed down. What's he filming? The walls now. God,
Yeah.
got it back.
I think we're starting to move, Luce.
I think we're moving, we're
Let
leaving.
the journey begin.
I want them to do the hoot hoot. All aboard the mince pie train.
This lovely little steam train ride at Christmas time. It's about an hour and a half, isn't it, Luce?
Hour and 20.
Hour and 20 minutes, so nice if you want to fill up a couple of hours in the morning.
They run 3 a day.
They run 3 a day. Yeah, all around Christmas time. Following
Dee Valley.
the Dee Valley, well, all around the Dee Valley, and this is the river, Dee. We're going to be heading in towards Berwyn, which is actually on another one of my videos, a really old Victorian looking station. Then we're going to go to another place I can't pronounce, but I will film it. Then Carog, then... No, that's a bit closer to say. And then we're going to end up in Corwen. And then we're going to head back. But it's just so scenic everywhere, rolling through the dense forest. And where it's winter, obviously we can see right through because the trees have lost their leaves. A lot of trees down in the river, as you can see from the storm. That adds a bit of character, I guess. He did a hoot. You can really hear the toots echoing through the valley. So soon we're going to go through Corwen, and after we're going to go through a tunnel.
Yeah, and it's the longest single bore tunnel preserved on any UK line, and it's 689 yards long. And we've got to keep the window closed because there's no smoke ventilation in the tunnel.
Oh, stinky.
Stinky, stinky, stinky.
So now we're hitting Corwen station, which is in my other video if you've seen it. I have filmed that very famous Corwen sign. We're now approaching the tunnel.
Hi, excuse me, sorry to back there, thank you.
Oh, it's so dark.
Oh, look how nice the Christmas lights look.
So this is the longest bored tunnel, isn't it? You said?
Single bore tunnel.
Single bored tunnel.
689 yards.
And there's a long tunnel. All we can see is just the steam bellowing past the window.
Because there's no ventilation shafts.
No. Still going. It's a long tunnel. Beautiful though, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it. Do you like it?
Really gives you a feel for like the olden day transport. And I would travel this way any time through a train. Better than those Great Western Railways and those Virgin trains. This is just, it gives it a whole different feel, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's cute. The old little heater systems.
Oh, we're out. Oh, lights went off again. That was just so we could see what we were doing when we went through the tunnel. And if I can get a quick image of the back end of the tunnel. all the steam coming out the tunnel.
Was it steamy?
Yeah, I couldn't quite see the tunnel. It's just loads of steam.
There he is, look, living his best life. trees. It's just a baby waterfall. Oh.
Tickets, please. That's fine. That's perfectly all right. Okay.
Thank
very
you.
much.
Very
All right.
much.
So this is a place we don't know how to pronounce. We've made it to Lapland.
Is Santa here?
For those who believe it, we're not actually in Lapland. We're at Carrog Station. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it. But this Victorian station has its own car park and tea room if you're ever in the area, and it is the most westward part of the journey. So I'm going to try and get off, get to the front and actually film the train that's doing all the hard work.
The Lapland signal box. We are in Lapland.
We seem to be moving on towards Corwen. Got the tea room. Try and get off and get to the front and see if I can actually get video, like I said, of the train that's pulling and pushing us around all day, well, for these 2 hours.
One, two, three. Right. That's how we try it.
You're watching, Cass. It's going to come back to your right.
Look, it's here right there.
So that's going back on the other line. You stand here, you see it from the outside.
Is that cool, Finn?
Oh, thank you.
Get rid of all that energy and power. And I've been thinking, I'm flying up onto the train and think, no, I'll just relax it.
So now we're going back down the other side, so where we were at the back, we're now going to be at the front.
Ready, steady, start, pop and chugging.
Yeah, these are it. Yeah. Happy with that? Just on over the ground now. Any fish, Joey? Not yet. Not dinner. Have a That'll do us, Joey. All right, buddy.
Benny, what do you think of that? I hope our steam friend doesn't explode.
That's probably a good thing. Oh no, good boy arrow that. Over the top. I really tried to do the record.
Back on now for the next part of the journey. Going back. Hello.
Hello. I need to sit this way now. I watched from the window they put the mince pie back on the front.
And now we're halfway and about to make our journey back. We should crack open a drink. Cheers.
Juice box, juice box.
And let's not forget, this train is called the Mince Pie Special. And now, where we were at the back, we're now at the front. Token exchange. Back at this station, which we worked out the name is Glenduffwy. That's how you say it. And on this station, they're actually handing over a token because it's a single track line. They need to hand over a token to sort of let them know that they're going to be using this, and it allows them access to use it. tunnel we went through. We're going to be one of the last set of trains to go through it. It will be this train, but it's going to be dug up through the tunnel because they're going to be laying a new track. So that won't be reopened till about March time. But now as we come across Horseshoe Falls, which we've been to before, there it is behind the trees. You get a lovely shot of the chain bridge as we roll back into Berlin. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. Heading back to the station where it all started. But it's been one hell of a beautiful ride. Back at llangollen station. Yeah, but normally that's Thank you. And these are the men behind the engine. Thank you so much.
You want to stand on there?
Would I be allowed?
Yeah, go on. Just watch everything's hot.
Yeah. I think you just said I could stand on if that's alright. Brilliant. Yeah, I'm just not going to, I'm not going to touch anything. I just made it onto the front or back, depending which end you're going. This is a thing of beauty. Look at this. So that was the Mince Pie Express. What a brilliant little morning we had, chugging along on the steam train. Absolutely amazing crew, the experience was great, the views were out of this world. Okay, it was raining, the weather wasn't the best, but we still had fat smiles on our faces the whole time. And yeah, we're definitely going to be looking for more sort of train adventures in the future, I'm sure of it. But yeah, that's obviously held around Christmas time. So yeah, I would suggest it. Even if you're not into your trains, it's an experience, and it's definitely one that's changed my outlook, thinking it was just going to be a boring train ride. But yeah, I was like a kid at Christmas, even though it is Christmas time. So that's the end of that now. We're just going past Berwyn station as we leave, and then yeah, on to our next adventure somewhere else, which will be the next video, which you're going to look out for. And what should they do, Luce?
They should like, subscribe, and we'll see them in the next one.
Yep, give it a share too if you don't mind, and book that train at Christmas, or well, any time of the year, but with Christmas you get a free mince pie. And I love mince pies. Right, on to the next adventure. See you later.